simple sense, what is happening to the CHP?
Okay, I think it is appropriate to talk about it because this is not a. I think this has to be taken very seriously. This is the judiciary being used as a weapon. I mean, it is the ultimate weaponization of the judiciary in an authoritarian state and being used at full force. And what is done is, in practice, is stage a coup against parliamentary politics that was already barely functioning. And this is, I think, the second turning point of an authoritarian consolidation that modern Turkey has not experienced since the introduction of multi-party system. The first turning point was, we can say, 2010s with the weaponization again of the judiciary with, fabricated cases and sham trials with AKP Gülen alliance. But also, it is important to acknowledge that this kind of dismantling of the political enterprise of opposition is not new. It has been done to the Kurdish parties since their existence. Shall I count the parties? HEP, DEP, HADEP, DEHAP, DTP, HDP, now them. They're all one after another. They were banned, closed down, their MPs stripped of their immunity, imprisoned, and their mayors removed, replaced with state appointed trustees. What is striking about this current moment is not the technique exists. We know. I mean, it's been used against the Kurdish political movement since their existence. But it is deployed now against the historical founder of the Turkish, parliamentary system, the Turkish Republic.